Pablo Picasso is probably the most famous artist of the 20th century. He created over 500,000 pieces of artwork. Some of them were sculptures, some of them were paintings, and many of them were drawings. He was born in Spain, but he lived most of his life in France. He became an artist because his dad taught him how to draw when he was very young. And by the age of 21, he was known as an artist. Here's a painting by Picasso. Can you tell what it is? What do you think this is? Yes, it looks like a woman. What is she doing? Maybe she's eating a piece of pizza. Maybe she's trying to sneeze. Actually, if you look at these shapes right here, they're teardrop shapes. And you can see them, the teardrop shapes. So what do you think she's doing? Yeah, that's right, she's crying. This is called Weeping Woman by Picasso. And you can tell it looks kind of strange. It doesn't look like a real woman, does it? No. So this kind of art is called abstract because it doesn't look like it's real. There are some abstract shapes in there, and things are broken down into simple shapes. Circles for the eyes, you see triangles in here. And what you want to do is look at this composition and see what she might be feeling. Well, most of her face are yellows and greens with a little bit of purple thrown in to kind of give her the hint that she's sad. Okay. Now, Picasso used a technique called Cubism to create his artwork. Now, Cubism means that he would look at a picture from different sides, or an image from different sides, and then would draw them. And to give you a better idea of what that might look like, let's look at another Picasso. Here we go. All right. Here's another Picasso painting. Can you tell what this one is? Yeah, it looks like there's two women. Can you tell what they're doing? Well, actually it's just one woman, and she's looking in a mirror, right? There are faces that you can see, and if you look close at the face over here, you can see, if I block out the yellow part, you can actually see a profile of her face over here. You see the nose and the mouth over here. But then he also drew the whole face, where you see both eyes and not just the one eye in a profile. So he did both. He did the profile and he did the whole face and put them together. And that's kind of what we're going to do for our project. Right. Same thing over here, but this one's a little bit more abstract. You can still see the outline of the face, the profile. Then you can also see the whole face in here. So he did a good job of using a bunch of different methods to make this an interesting picture. Can you see one of the other methods that he used in here? Yeah, that's right. He used a bunch of repeating circles. What else did he use? That's right, patterns. I see patterns all over the place on this picture. That's very, very nice. Good eye. Do you like the Picasso? Does this look real? No. It is also abstract. Pretty nice.